Station 1. Beyond Station 1. And this is an alley going to the main road. We're going to take a tricycle because we're planning to go to Shangrila. They said no one is allowed in Shangrila unless you are a resident there. But we will try our luck. Oh my God, the road is still like that? See, look. I thought they've done the road. And this is the main road. Ay, ganyan. Ito ba yung main road? Saan yung main road yun, Ning?
Mango?
Main road, yung main na kalsada.
Ito po.
Akala ko ba pinaganda na yung kalsada nyo? Bakit maputik pa rin?
Bago pa lang kasi.
Bago ka, Dili?
Yes.
Ay, ano yan pa? Upahan?
Hindi, sa Solosi Hotel.
Ah,
Solosi Boutique Hotel.
ayan. Magkano doon ang kwan?
May 2,500.
2,500? 2,500 per person o per room?
Per room. Tapos may
kasama
3,500
breakfast?
na pinta. Libre
Alin
na
ba
po.
ito?
Doon po, mamo.
Doon? Ay, ito ba?
Ewan ko.
Ay, hindi mo alam. O sige, Ning. Thank you. Tapos there's still improvement hasn't reached this area. It looks like it's still unimproved. It looks like before when we came here 2 years ago when President Duterte told Boracay is a cesspool. Right. And Robert there is buying. Bakit yung kalsada nyo, Ning? Akala ko ba in-improve na? Yung kalsada ninyo, bakit hindi pa naayos?
Saan?
Yan o.
Hindi naman inaayos yun.
Hindi naayos? Bakit? Ano ba ito, main road? Ha? Ano, yan yung, kasi yan, dati, di ba sabi nila, ganyan yan dati, ngayon wala na. Eh, bakit meron sa inyo? Hindi ba ito main road?
Dito yung road, pero hindi ko alam kung saan ayusin yan.
At hindi mo alam kung kailan ayusin. Pero yung banda doon na inayos na. Kasi dulo na kayo eh. Baka yun na ayusin. Salamat, Ning! Yan oh. Untouched. They said this area because they are in the very far end. It's not done. I don't know whether kinupit na naman yung budget. Pwede kaming pumunta ng Shangrila? Inaalaw ba nila mag...
Pwede naman doon, ma'am. Kaso naman walang driver yung mga tricycle, ma'am.
wala.
Motorbike lang, ma'am. Dalawa.
Allowed ba sila doon magpunta ng hindi daw resident? Kasi sabi nung mga boatman doon, ano...
Pwede naman yun, ma'am.
Pwede no? Oo nga. Kahit mag-inom kami ng kape lang.
Sabi niyo sa restaurant.
Punta sa restaurant, ganyan. Magkano ba?
200, ma'am.
Mahal naman. 200 lang. Ay, naku, mahal pala.
Tsaka mataas sa bundok yun, ma'am.
200.
Road going there.
Wala kaming dalang ganyang halaga eh. Sige, sa susunod na lang. Thank you. No, it's 200. We'll go. Ay, kung pauwi kami doon sa station 2, mag-tricycle, magkano? Ha? Diyan ba mayroong mga public transport?
Gusto niyo ma'am, motorbike kayo ma'am, hanggang main road, para sa kaya niyo kayo doon.
20 lang, ma'am. Paming road.
Ganun. We're discovering Boracay. So look at that, how they are doing, recycling the plastic. Yeah. And this is a interior road. It's not the main road. Rooms available. See, there's a rental here. Rooms is available. and people will tend to book right there in the beach, no? No one will bother to have this view.
Depends on budget. This is like rental.
A rental. We're having an adventure. And these are the village. Huh?
Baranggay.
Barangay. Ice for sale. O sige po, hanggang dito na lang po. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless. Thank you. Bye. Okay.